Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. It is remaining work of unit number 2. First of all, write question number 5. Write down the difference between internal and external memory. Internal memory, point number 1. It is a set of chips located on the motherboard. External memory, the physical unit of which digital data stored permanently is referred to as external memory. Point 2, it is a volatile memory. It is non-volatile memory. Number 3, internal memory is very fast according to data. External memory is slowest form of memory. Number 4, storage capacity is very small as compared to the external memory. Storage capacity is very large. Number 5, mostly they are semiconductor in nature. Mostly they are magnetic optical semiconductor in nature. On next, on next page, write question number 6. Write down the differences between RAM and ROM. RAM, number 1, RAM stands for random access memory. ROM stands for read-only memory. Number 2, RAM is volatile memory. ROM is non-volatile memory. Number 3, it is not a pre-programmed memory. It is a pre-programmed memory. Number 4, the content of RAM can easily change. The content of ROM not change. Number 5, RAM can store program and data which are used by computer. ROM can only be read and write. Number 6, it is user memory. It is not user memory. Write question number 7. Define differences serial port and parallel port. डिफरेंस बताना है सीरियल पोर्ट में और पैरेलल पोर्ट में. सीरियल पोर्ट, नंबर 1 पॉइंट इज दिस सेंड पोर्ट सेंड द इंफॉर्मेशन थ्रू अ केबल ऑन बिट अ टाइम. दिस पोर्ट सेंड द इंफॉर्मेशन थ्रू पैरेलल वायर्स 8 bits or more at a time. Number 2, these ports send data slower than parallel ports. These ports send data faster than serial port. Number 3, these ports are reliable for transmission data over a large distance. These ports are reliable for transmission data over a short distance. Number 4, these ports are also called male connectors. These ports are also called female connectors. Number 5, it has 925 pins. It has 25 holes. Right, question number 8. Define the different terms with their major functions. Arithmetic and logic unit, ALU. Answer is, this is where arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, division and multiplications are performed. This is where logical operations are also done such as comparison between two pieces of data. The ALU performs the basic functions on data received from the primary storage based on instructions from the control unit. Number 2, control unit. All the computer's resources are managed by the control unit CPU. It works like a traffic code, directing the flow of data between the component of the CPU and to and from the other devices. CU regulates operations in a computer by directing data flow within the CPU. It controls input and output devices and data transfer process to devices and data transfer process to and from memory. A control unit, number 1, interprets and carries out instructions of computer program. Number 2, selects program statements from memory. Number 3, moves these to instructions registers in the control unit. Number 4, and carries out instructions. On next page, write question number 9. Define CPU with block language. Central processing unit. The central processing unit CPU, basically called the brain of computer, it controls and coordinations operations of other computer and perform arithmetic logic operations. There are three divided parts of CPU. Number 1, arithmetic logic unit, ALU. Number 2, control unit, CU. Number 3, memory unit, MU. Functions of the CPU. Number 1, interprets the data and instructions. Number 2, generates control signal. Number 3, performs arithmetic and logic operations. Number 4, produces the address bits needed by memory. Right, question number 10. Draw a block diagram of computer system. डायग्राम ड्रॉ करनी है कंप्यूटर सिस्टम की. इट इज़ अवेलेबल इन बुक. Write question number 11. Fill in the blanks. It is last question of unit number 2. Number 1, dash is the brain of computer, CPU. Number 2, these are two major parts of CPU, dash and dash, ALU and CU. Number 3, ALU stand for arithmetic logic unit. Dash is the place of stored data information programs, memory. Number 5, these are two types of computer memory, internal and external. 6, ROM is the abbreviation of read-only memory, while RAM stand for random access memory. Number 7, input devices are used to take data from user and supply in the computer. Number 8, ports are the places that are used to connect various external devices to the computer. Number 9, serial ports is also known as mail connector. Thank you.